Tell them all the stink and dirty, stink and dirty. Viking, double M. Hey, you free them, but run for your life. You free them, they say, they say, they say. You free them, but run for your life. You free them. They come out of boss mad. They belting like they want to bust mad. No matter what they do, me I go bang to them. Way they get in, not like they want to come for me. So tell them come for me. Right now I'm feeling the tension, and it's too much to mention. They take up all my attention. Holy faith, of everything you accuse me, and all the times you abuse me, but now you cannot refuse me. Holy faith, I was born in a village. I learned my upbringing, where all was forgiven. So I'm in tune with my spirit. I was born as a warrior. The father was a snake fighter. So why is that no pushover? Now we're fighting back. They come out of boss mad. They blows the belting like they want to bust mad. No matter what they do, me I go bang to them. Way they get in, not like they want to come for me. So tell them come for me. Tell them we no friend nobody. All of them who want confront with anywhere we go we friend no man and friend no demon. Tell them we no friend nobody. All of them who want to stop we tell them we no friend no woman friend no stick and friend no demon. I say Olive, we go come out hard to fight them like we name total man. Olive.
So tell me the name of your team again.
The Collectors.
Oh, sounds great. So you think you're going to take it this year?
Most definitely. This one over with.
That's right. So we're going to spin around and take another look at this masterpiece. This looks extremely great. The competition is hot today.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
So tell me, what is this wonderful creation that we have here today?
Well, last year I came in a contest. I brought a train. This year I decided to bring a Harley Davidson that I will drive to the grill. So
what inspired you to create such a masterpiece?
Well, my mind always going. More to come. My mind always going, but I want to give a shout out to Bahamas, Welding and Fire, and most definitely Anton Dane. Everybody know him as Stones, because you need something, he'll always say go in the back of the yard and get it. He's always there for you. So if it wasn't for him, this wouldn't have been possible. So big shout out to the big Tones, man. That's my spy, man, my brother from another mother. Love him to death.
Oh, I'm Boogie's Grill. We coming out of Auckland, Selena Point. The name comes from my son. I nicknamed him that when he born. Yeah, I've been using it ever since I started grilling.
So tell me, what inspired you to come out here today and grill?
I just love to grill. I said, why not put myself in a little competition? And then people who come and buy from me, at least who sponsor me, they tell me go and try it, and see what happens. So I say, why the hell not?
That's right. You have a great story. That's right. So tell me.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity, and I appreciate all the publicity. I wouldn't say publicity, but all the fans I hope they get. I'll be back here again next year, definitely.
Yes, we definitely look forward to you. So one more time, what's the name of your team?
Boogie's Grill. We come out of the Grove from Selena Point, Auckland, but we our little grill pit is in the Grove, Oxford Avenue. You can find us there every second Friday, every 2 Fridays, the second Friday and the last Friday of each month.
That's good. Tell me the name of your team.
The name of my team is Bahamas Barbecue, a world-renowned barbecue team.
Sounds good. So tell me, what inspired this pig today?
Well, I wanted to use some of my creative juices and be able to exploit it for the crowd to see exactly what we're capable of doing. We didn't want to just put a regular roast pig. We wanted to add some tropical colors to highlight what Bahamas has to offer to the country and to the world.
That sounds wonderful. And this pig looks amazing. Boy, I can't wait to taste it.
Yeah, man, it's going to be juicy. We're just waiting for the judges to come and critique it first, and then we're going to cut it up and put some of our signature sauce on it, and then we're going to share it out.
Also entered our grill competition. So tell me, how do you think the competition is going today?
Well, the competition went great today. We had a few challenges with the weather and the rain, but luckily God blessed us some hot sun, and we got straight to it. So we're looking forward to a stiff competition, and may the best man win today.
Sounds great. So tell me, who do you want to send a shout out to?
I'd like to shout out to my team that held me down so far, my team, my family, and all my valued friends, and all my valued customers who come and patronize Bahamas Barbecue on a weekly basis. This is one for you all. I'd like to thank Bahamas Welding and Fire for allowing me the opportunity to come and showcase my talent and to be able to compete and have fun. And that's offer opportunities for young Bahamians that are aspiring as chefs to come and show to the world what they're capable of doing.
Sounds great. One more time, what's the name of your team?
Bahama Barbecue, #1.
Thank you. Tell me the name of your team.
It's Marvin's Rentals. I rent equipment for cookouts, fairs, and functions. So if you want your food hot on the spot, call Marvin Rental. We rent stoves, deep fryer, grills, and warmers. And we come out here to support Bahama Fire and Welding today and put on a grilling display to show people how we do it. We're using a special herbal seasoning called Mama Brown seasoning. We have basil, rosemary, and Spanish thyme with olive oil and pepper juice. We used to marinate our meats in, so it gives you a natural herbal seasoning. No dry herbs at all, just green, fresh stuff.
Sounds great. Looking good. Boy, this competition is really thick today. Who do you think is going to take first place?
Well, I'm the people's chef, and this is the people's time.
That's right. Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, it's good that Bahamas Fire and Welding put us on first, that we can display our talents and also inform other Bahamian people about grilling techniques, and we can get rental equipment when you want to have a function and have your food hot on the spot.
Sounds great. What's the name of your team one more time?
It's Marvin's Rentals. We are Marvin LP Gas Services, and we rent gas equipment, but we also are grill masters.
We're going to start off with the grill design competition. These are the results. Grill design. In third place, with 70 points, Wild Hog and Them. I repeat, in third place, 70 points, Wild Hog and Them. Grill design.
My name is Gus Outen. I represent Wild Hog and them.
So tell me today, what is this master creation?
Okay, this is a moonshine still, built by the good gentleman here called Brad Outen. A moonshine still is something that produces moonshine back in the day on Morgan's Bluff, back in 1776. And we decided to make it a double dip by not only drinking moonshine, but having some grill.
That sounds excellent. So what inspired you to make this moonshine grill today?
Say again?
What inspired you to make this
This young man always got dreams. He always got dreams. He dreamed about his moonshine. He said, we just can't have a moonshine still. We got to have a grill. And he's a grill master.
In second position, and these numbers are very close. In second position, with 75 points, contestant number 3, Brandon Boleg.
What's the name of your team?
Oh, Andres Grill Out.
So Andres Grill Out, what is this masterpiece that you've created today?
Oh, this is made by NASA, designed by Mr. Anton Dane, and I happens to have the pleasure to grill on this lovely bird. And as you could look at my sculpture in the back, I designed the bird
This looks great.
as a replica of the grill.
Wow, this is excellent. So tell me, what were some of the techniques used today?
Well, it was Anton's idea. Technically, I ain't had a clue or idea about this grill, but when I saw it, it was so unique. I said, as a defending champion of Bahamas Welding and Fire Grill competition, I had to grill on this grill.
Mr. Boleg grill was designed by Mr. Samuel Williams, one of the greatest welders in the Bahamas. Sam Williams is a great part of the Island Gases team. He has been there in welding and fabricating for many years. And so, on behalf of Mr. Sam Williams, Brandon Boleg, he grilled on a massive bird of paradise today. Never before achieved in the world. Moving right along, grill design. The winner, with 81 points, grill number 1, Javon Clark, the Spider.
Good thanks. The name of the team is the Grill Masters.
All right, So tell me today, what is this wonderful creation that we have in front of us?
First of all, the grill itself is the spider grill. If you look from the front of the grill, it looks like a spider, 8 legs, black and orange, sorry. And you know, we just came here, create the grill, and then we grill on this grill to win this competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, first ever grilled on the back of a grand spider. There's only one winner in this competition. And so for the third time, Pig Roasters Competition Bahamas Welding Fire 2017 goes to the one and only Tarpon Bay Grill Boys. Surprise! Ladies and gentlemen, the Tarpon Bay Boys. You're not looking for the best hog in town? You want to go to Tarpon Bay Boys. The winner for the 8th annual Bahamas Welding and Fire Grill Master Competition People Choice Award goes to Wild Hog and them. Big cigars, big cowboy hats.
From your wake up this morning.
These guys are professional when it comes to grilling. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Wild Hog. They always represent well. Big move, big move, big move. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's the old crew. In third position, 64 points. Best Fish Grill Masters. Grill Masters.
You're coming at it dance. And you woke up ready. When you bring no friends, no family. You see the stranger on your left. You see the stranger.
In second position with 66 points. All up in your belly. Over the years. And they looking good. Second place, all up in your belly. Best seafood. 8th annual Grill Master Competition. And the winner of the best seafood, best fish competition with 70 points, Bahama Bobby King. It's hard to keep him out of the race. He has represented the Bahamas throughout the world as it relates to grilling when it comes to the Bahamas. In third place, with 74 points, best pork, Destiny's Grill. Here we go, Destiny's Grill, congratulations. All the way from the north to meet us here today. In second place, best pork, with 76 points, the Androsian Grillers. He's hitting the board high in the best pork category. This could be tough. Bootsy, second place, best pork. Once again, here we go. What you put in that waistline, only raising my pressure. Seeing that sugar. Grill Masters, Grill Masters. Your sweetness only calling me, only calling. I don't know what it is with their food, but these guys is putting on the tongues of the judges. Grill Masters, best pork. Best poultry. For those of you that don't know what poultry is, we call it chicken. Chicken. Best chicken. In third position with 70 points in the best poultry category, Grill Masters. Grill Masters again. When a member of Grill Masters come up, this is DJ, give me some music. Grill Masters hitting the board high. All over the place. Grill Masters in every category. Grill Masters.
You getting under my skin like a peeling a sugar cane. Have me so hyperactive, it messing up in my brain.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the best poultry category, in second place, Bahamas Bobby King with 72 points. Come on! Once again. Oh, this is some tough stuff. This is some tough stuff. Best poultry. First place. Best poultry. And those of you, like I'll say it again, chicken. You don't know what poultry is, chicken. 77 points. Best poultry. All the way from Abaco, Destiny's Grill. He won everything in Abaco. And I was down there to witness it. And this is his reward today for being a part of the Abaco competition. And he's here today, marching up some of these Nassau boys. Congratulations, Destiny's Grill. Give him a round of applause. The best beef. And I don't mean that kind of beef, the best beef. In third place. In third place, in the best beef category, Androsian Grillers. I can't hear these Nassau boys saying good in the day. Third place. In second place, best beef, 67 points. Wild Hog in 10. Hello, Wild Hog, congratulations, guys.
We party in sun or rain. We don't care what the people say. What's the music in my veins? So much powers I can't explain. Until I pull and nail.
First place in the best beef category. And I repeat, first place, 75 points. Best beef, all the way from Abaco, Destiny's Grill. That's what. What's up, things in Abaco? Came down here to Nassau. Met one of his cousins in the barber shop who was talking about this youngster. And these guys has been just mixing it up all day here like Bahamas, Welding, and and this is the moment everyone here has been waiting for. Now, no one knows who the winners are because we have had repetitive names called here today from the best in the Bahamas. And so here we go. Along with these prizes, we have campfire grills from one of our other sponsors, all the way up in Chicago. And there are numerous other prizes behind the scenes that are going to be given at a later date. So moving right along, this is the overall results. And I repeat, the overall results. Now you have a chance to protest, but these are overall results today. Protest if you want to.
You don't never win them.
They become official when you cash that check. Here we go. In third place. I repeat, third place. 271 points. 8th annual Grill Master Competition, Bahamas Welding Fire. 8th annual Grill Master Competition. In third place with 271 points. Androsian Grillers.
Why not something? Play a mass. Why not something? Bumper pass. Why not something? Play a mass. Why not something?
Androsian Grillers.
Bumper pass.
This placed third this year Grillmaster competition. Congrats. In second position. In second position. 2 points ahead of the third place winner. Only 2 points. 273 points. Second position. All the way from Abaco. Destiny's Grill. Destiny's Grill. This guy's only but 12 years old. He's beating these guys bad. Hello. Congratulations, man. I'm proud of these guys. I'm proud of these guys. That's wonderful. All the way from North Africa. Hello! 274 points. This is only 1 point. I repeat, 1 point separates second and first. 1 point. That's how tight it was. That's how close it was. These guys have been competing and battling for 8 years. They've always supported this competition. And these guys, I mean, they go neck and neck. Every year they come back at each other's throat. And these guys are here again defending their titles. And here we go. 1 point. Overall winner. Bahamas Welding and Fire.
Hey, give me that cup, boy.
8th annual.
Wendy, give me that cup.
Grillmaster.
Let me drink that with you.
Competition.
Hey.
This is the Grillmaster of the century. Bahama Bobby King. Keep on. Come and get your prize. Hello. That's it. Yvonne has won a check for $1,000 cash prize. $1,000. He has represented the Bahamas in the world. Yvonne, we love you, we thank you, and on behalf of my team at Bahamas Welding and Fire, we would like to say congratulations once again.
This is the 8th annual Bahamas Welding and Fire Grillmaster and Big Osa come and kick it, and we are the champions!